Hey guys, it's Kylie and I want to do a quick video and show y'all a little hack that I found out about with these keychains that you get off Amazon. I know that a lot of y'all have Cricuts, you make keychains and you get this pack that comes off Amazon. You know, it's like, I don't remember if it's like $10 for a pack of 30. It's something like that. And these are the two exact same keychains, but you see how this one is like, it's frosted, it's fuzzy, it's not clear, it doesn't look to me as good. This one, I love the look of this one, how it's clear and it just looks more expensive and it's prettier, it's shiny. These are the two exact same keychains and I found this out last night. If you'll just take your tool that you weed with and you poke it right here under that, there is like a seal or a film over these keychains. If you just poke it, it peels right off like that. Y'all, I did not know that. Did y'all know that? Because I sure didn't. I just found this out last night. So you just poke it in there, do the front and the back side. It just peels off. And look, it is super shiny. Doesn't that look a lot better? I hope y'all enjoy that little hack that I discovered last night. Drop me a comment and let me know if y'all knew that or not. Because I definitely did not. I kind of discovered it by accident. And I'm so glad I did because they look so much better. They're crystal clear and they're shiny. So that's what it looks like after. That's what it looks like before. Y'all, that is so much better. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little FYI. And be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And happy crafting, guys.